Okay, on this example, we're going to talk about a price reduction on a digital camera. These are very common. It says your local computer store is having a terrific sale on digital cameras after a 40% reduction. Okay, so they're taking off 40%. You purchased a digital camera for $276. What was the camera's price before the reduction? Now let's talk about what we're looking for. That's our X. What was the camera's price before the reduction? That's what we're going to call X right here, okay? It says X is the original price of the digital camera prior to the reduction, okay? Now remember, a reduction means you're taking something away. So you started with X minus, we are taking away 40% of the original price. Now 40%, remember when you see percents like this, when you're doing percent of something, you always do multiply. And we change that percent to a decimal to multiply. So 40%, let's put this up here, would be equal to 0.40 written as a decimal. And we want to do 40% of the original price, okay? So 40% would be 0.40. Of means multiply, and the original price is X, okay? So that would be 0.40. They didn't put the other zero, but that's okay. 0.4X, 0.4 times X. So we are taking the original price minus 0.40 times X, okay? Equals 276. Remember, when you're doing a word problem, equals is what it is, what you purchased it for, okay? Now, 1x minus 0.40x, we can combine these. They're both x's, and there's a 1 there you don't see, okay? It's understood that it's in front of the x. 1x minus 0.40x is 0.60x, or 0.6x, as they have, equals 276. Now we need to get that variable alone. We need the x by itself. We have to move the 0.6. If they multiply by 0.6, we are dividing by 0.6. And 276 divided by 0.6 is 460. So what this tells me is that the original price of the digital camera before the reduction was 460. You can check that. You can do 0.40 times 460 and then subtract that from the original price. You should get your sale price of $276.